Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can connect Amazon with Shopify. First, open up your Shopify. There is a link in the description that you can use to get a 30 days free trial. Now, go to the Apps option in the side panel. Click on it to open the store. Now, search for Spreader and choose the Shown app. You can import any product of Amazon in Shopify by using this app. Click on Install to install it. Now follow the process to finalize the installation. Now open the Spreader dashboard. First integrate your code. Then join the Amazon Associate program to get your affiliate ID. Now simply paste the Amazon link of a product and click on Add Product. Your product will be added successfully. Click on the Edit option and you can see a product page in Shopify opens with the product imported, and that's it. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you again soon.